Limited is located in Chashan Town, Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. For many years, the company has engaged in the R&D and production of all types of high-current connectors, rapid charging plugs, and electrical sockets. The company is a national high-tech enterprise that integrates. The company's main products include unipolar connectors, bipolar connectors, heavy-duty connectors, SIN connectors, power connectors, connector terminals, battery accessories, and more. These products are widely applied in automobiles, electric vehicles, communication power supply, medical equipment, energy storage battery, cargo handling equipment, cleaning equipment. Our company leads the industry through our pursuit of high-quality product manufacturing. The company is dedicated to build a digital intelligent automation factory by taking advantage of advanced science and technologies. It owns several injection molding machines, automatic punching machine, high-speed punching machines, wire pressing machines, cutting and stripping machine, sheath cutting machine, vertical injection molding machine, grinding machines imported from Taiwan, milling machines, and other advanced production equipment. The company also utilizes professional testing equipment, such as automatic plugging force testing machines, salt spray testing machines, constant temperature and humidity testing machine, two-dimensional testing machines, constant temperature and humidity testing machine, and aging test machines. The company maintains a one-stop